Hey guys, today I'll be talking about how to get your BRP card under normal circumstances and how it has changed during COVID. So, what is BRP card? The full form is Biometric Residence Permit. Basically, it is a secure identity card which contains all the personal information as well as biometric information for those who have a permission, that is a visa, to stay in UK for more than 6 months. So, you're supposed to collect your BRP card within 10 days of you arriving in the UK. Why do you need a BRP card? The first reason is to open a local bank account, and the second reason is to secure a part-time job. While recruiting you, your employers would ask you for your BRP card as well as the local bank account details. So while applying for your visa, you will be asked where do you want your BRP to be delivered. So in that you have two options. The first option is to collect it from your local post office. So the second option is to collect it from your university. Basically, your university might have given you an alternate collection postcode which you need to enter while applying for the visa, and then your BRP will be delivered to your university. So after you arrive in UK, you're supposed to collect it within 10 days, either from your post office or your university, whichever you have selected while applying for the visa. This is what used to happen before COVID. Now I'll be talking about how to get your BRP card during COVID. First thing, don't worry, you aren't supposed to collect your BRP card within 10 days if you are in quarantine. The 10 days rule does not apply here for the obvious reason. If you're traveling from a country where you're expected to follow the 14 days quarantine post-landing, you're expected to complete this quarantine period before stepping out for anything. There are two possible scenarios for those people who will be in quarantine for 14 days after landing. So the first possible scenario is, if you had selected the option to collect it from your post office, then you're expected to complete the 14 days quarantine period and then go to the local post office to collect your BRP card. So basically, you'll be getting your BRP card within 15 to 16 days after landing. So the next possible scenario is, if you had selected the option to collect it from your university, then this year, most of the universities are following this protocol where they send you an email to fill a form where they ask you your basic contact details and residential address, and then they forward this form to the UKVI itself, and then the UKVI will deliver it directly to your address. So basically, the UKVI is delivering your BRP card directly to your address. So I arrived in UK on 23rd September, and then my university contacted me to fill the details, and they later sent me a confirmation email as well where they mentioned that they had forwarded my details to UKVI. Around 7th October, I got an email directly from the UKVI saying that my BRP is out for delivery. They provided me with a tracking reference number so I can track my BRP as well. Then finally on 12th of October, I got my BRP card. So basically it took me 19 days to get my BRP card. But there could be a delay as well, and it differs from person to person because the entire process, that is the communication between UKVI and your university, can take time. Also, the lockdown rules which have been imposed, you can expect a little delay in getting your BRP card. So in case you want your BRP card early, I would suggest that you select the option to collect it directly from the post office. Also, one more advice which I would like to give is, make sure you carry enough amount of money in the form of Forex card or cash so that you can at least survive for 1 month, because you won't be able to open your local bank account without a BRP card. So that's all for today. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos to the people who are coming in UK, and see you in the next video. Bye.